The operation method of the smart lock. Enter administrator or the common user. First press the return key and confirm key to add administrative user. Enter a 6-8-digit password, press the confirm key. Select 1 to add a user, 1 to add an administrator. And enter the fingerprint, password, or sensor card. How to connect to Vila app with mobile phone. First press the return key plus confirm key, input the administrator password to enter the settings menu. Select 3 system settings. Then select 3 function settings. Select 1 network settings. Open the Vila app. Click add the device, select the camera, Wi-Fi lock. And then choose the 4G network to link. And wait for the connecting success. Connected. Press the lock doorbell and the phone will receive an alert to open the door and snap a photo. You can choose to open or not. Every time the lock is open, the message will remind you. Set the temporary password. Find the temporary password in the app. There are one-time valid limited time temporary passwords. You can copy and send to friends. You can also select a temporary password within the valid time. You can also see the previous lock opening records in there. Restore factory settings. 1. In the system, press the return key plus confirm key. Press administrator password to enter the settings menu. Select 3 system settings and then select 4 restore factory settings. Select confirm key. Recovery success. 2. Open the battery cover in the rear panel. There is a reset key. Long press for 5S. Hear the voice prompt to succeed. The opening mode of the mechanical key port. Press down on one and take the lid out. Turn it to the side and then use the key.